Title: The Courageous Crew. The Forest of Friendship. In the heart of the Forest of Friendship, a diverse group of animals lives together in harmony. The main characters are Benny the brave bear, Leo the loyal lion, Ella the empathetic elephant, Fiona the fearless fox, and Charlie the clever chameleon. Each animal has a unique trait that contributes to the strength of their friendship. One day, a mysterious fog rolls into the forest, causing confusion and fear among the inhabitants. The fog is rumored to be the work of the mischievous and reclusive sorcerer, Grimwald the Grey Owl, who lives in the dark woods at the edge of the forest. The call to adventure, the animal friends gather to discuss the situation and decide to embark on a journey to confront Grimwald and lift the fog. Despite their individual fears, they are determined to restore peace to their home. Along the way, they face various challenges that test their courage and teamwork. Benny uses his strength to move fallen trees blocking their path, while Leo's leadership keeps the group motivated. Ella's empathy helps them negotiate with other frightened animals they encounter. Fiona's quick thinking helps them evade traps, and Charlie's camouflage allows them to spy on potential dangers without being seen. The dark woods as they enter the dark woods, the challenges intensify. The group encounters a series of puzzles and obstacles designed to test their resolve. Each animal's unique abilities are crucial in overcoming these hurdles, and they learn the importance of relying on each other. In the heart of the dark woods, they finally confront Grimwald. The owl is initially hostile, but Ella's empathetic nature allows her to understand his loneliness and bitterness. She speaks to Grimwald with kindness, helping him see the impact of his actions on the forest and its inhabitants. Breaking the spell moved by Ella's words and the courage of the group, Grimwald agrees to lift the fog if they can pass one final test of unity. He creates an illusion of fear that only by standing together can they break. The friends hold on to each other and face the illusion head-on, their combined courage shattering the spell. Grimwald, impressed by their bravery and friendship, lifts the fog and apologizes for his actions. He offers to help the forest by using his magic for good, promising to create protective charms and to watch over the forest to ensure it remains safe. Conclusion: a stronger forest. The animal friends return to the forest of friendship as heroes, welcomed with joy by the other inhabitants. The adventure strengthens their bond, and they realize that their individual traits, when combined, can overcome any challenge. Grimwald becomes a part of the community, using his magic to benefit everyone. The forest thrives, and the animals continue to live in harmony, knowing that together, they can face any adversity. The Courageous Crew is a heartwarming tale that highlights the power of friendship, teamwork, and understanding. It teaches that every individual's unique qualities are valuable and that unity can overcome even the greatest of challenges.